Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Anna and today I made these cute and sweet decorations for Christmas tree. I'm gonna use for these 3 egg whites, 180 grams of powdered sugar, a pinch of salt, a pinch of cream of tartar or 1/8 of a teaspoon. If you don't have these, you can add a teaspoon of lemon juice, food dye, and I have gel and powder and also some cute little sprinkles. I'm gonna separate the eggs, the whites from yolks. For this recipe today we're gonna use only the whites. Make sure that the bowl is really well cleaned. I'm gonna add a pinch of salt over whites and I'm gonna start mixing them with my mixer on low speed, and I will increase and mix them up until they're white and starts to be really fluffy. And I'm starting now to add powdered sugar and continue to mix until we're gonna have almost stiff peaks, and the sugar is dissolved and the mixture is super shiny. Add 1/8 of a teaspoon of cream of tartar to stabilize this meringue, but if you don't have it, you can use some lemon juice. I'm gonna put some white meringue in a piping bag, and using different piping tips you can do different designs, but also I'm gonna take some of that meringue and add different colors to color it. I'm gonna use pink and green and yeah, I'm gonna create my own little decorations. Start with a little bit of dye and add more according to your likings, and put each meringue that you colored in a different piping bag. I'm piping now meringue on a baking paper. I preheated the oven at 90 Celsius or 194 Fahrenheit, and I'm making circles out of this meringue. I'm adding pink and I'm adding a bit of a light green and so on, a bit of yellow. You can make your own decorations. Important is to think how you're gonna hang them in the tree, so this is why I chose to make them in circles or hearts. I'm adding now sprinkles all over them to make them nice and cute, and I'm gonna bake them in the oven at 90 Celsius or 194 Fahrenheit for about 2 hours. But according to your oven, open the door and after 1.5 hours and see if they are nice and crisp. Be gentle with them because yeah, they're pretty fragile, but make sure they're really well dried. Don't turn the oven higher because they will change color, and we want them to be nice and pretty as we made them. So don't burn them because yeah, they can burn up easily. You can put cute ribbons and you can choose different themes of colors, like you're gonna decorate your tree in a certain theme. And yeah, I hope you're gonna enjoy, and I hope you're gonna try to make them as well. Have fun, and thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna see you here next time with another recipe. Look how cute they are. Thank you, bye.